Nisha from Mirch, and I'm partnering with ShopRite to help you celebrate Diwali. I've just come back from ShopRite and I've stocked up on some essentials that I'll be using this holiday season. Now, they are carrying a bunch of different products for parties, celebrations, whatever you are doing to celebrate Diwali. I was excited to see that they had some pantry essentials like ghee, basmati rice, they have little mini naan from Mission, they have some V8 juice, and they have some Coke Zero for your parties. Today we're going to be making rabdi. Rabdi is a dessert that's made around special occasions. It's made with milk and it's cooked down for hours. All of the beautiful fats are collected and then you add sugar and that is the dessert. To get started, we want a heavy bottom pan on medium heat. We'll go ahead and add in the ghee. Let that ghee melt down and go ahead and add in your ricotta. We'll cook this down just a little bit in the ghee. Once your ricotta and ghee have been cooking down for about 4 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and add in our evaporated milk. Let's give it a good mix and cover it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll uncover it, mix it up, and let it cook down a little bit more. Now this ricotta and condensed milk mixture has been cooking down, and we're gonna go ahead and add in now our saffron. We'll go ahead and add in our sugar. And you can lower your heat a little bit and just give it a good mix and let it cook down for another couple of minutes. So we go and add in our cardamom powder and we will add in our rose water. At this point, we are going to let the rabdi sit until it gets down to room temperature, and then we'll bring in a hand blender and we'll blend up half of it so it becomes really nice and creamy. Rabdi tastes best once it's been refrigerated for at least 5 to 6 hours. It's delicious, nice and chilled, and then you can top it with any fruits or desserts. Now that our rabdi has chilled, you can see that it's a gorgeous creamy consistency. It's thickened up, but it's not too thick. We're gonna go ahead and garnish it with some strawberries, some raspberries, and some pomegranate. That is it, we are done. Happy Diwali from me and ShopRite, helping you get it together.